Hello and welcome to Deriving Me Crazy Math Help. My name is Tori and I will be your tutor today. And the topic we are covering today is an Algebra 2 concept called long division with polynomials. It's very similar to regular long division, except this is primarily used, of course, with polynomials. It's especially helpful when you get terms like in the numerator, when you get an expression that is kind of hard to factor. This is really awesome for that. So let's get started. So first what we need to do is we need to get this 2x to become a term like the 2x cubed. So that's kind of easy since we already have the 2 down. We just need to get from x to x cubed. And in order to do that, we're going to need to multiply by x squared. This is because pretend 2x is like x to the first, 2x to the first. So 2x to the first times x squared, we're adding the exponents, so 1 plus 2 is 3, so that gives us 2x cubed. But we have to make sure we multiply this x squared by the 3 as well. So we have 3x squared on this side. And we're subtracting this. So these two cancel out, we give us 0. And here we have 4x squared. So quick note, we put this x squared here in above the division symbol because we need to put it with the x squareds and keep them in line. Usually, you'd almost want to put it up here, which is still okay, but it just keeps you more organized to do that. So now we are left with 4x squared plus 2x, so far as we bring the 2x down. So now to get from 2x plus 3 to 4x squared plus 2x, or something similar to that, we need to multiply by an x. Alright, not an x, but a 2x, because if we multiplied by just an x, it'd be 2x squared, and it would not give us our answer that we need to match this first term. So if we multiply by 2x, we get 4x squared, since we're adding the exponents again. That will give us 4x squared, okay. But then if we multiply the 2x by 3, it will give us 6x. And now we're subtracting, the 4x squareds cancel out, and then we're left with a negative 4x. And now we need to bring down this 9. Okay, so now we could just multiply this by a negative 2. The reason is because it'll give us a negative 4x, which is the same as here, and a negative 6, which will also be useful in our situation. So now let's do that. So now we have a negative 4x minus 6. So remember, we're subtracting this whole thing. And a good way to rewrite this, it's helpful, is to rewrite all the negatives as pluses and all the positives as negatives. This is because we're distributing that negative sign right there. So let's do the negative 4x plus 4x. That'll both cancel out, giving us 0. Now we have 9 plus 6, which is 15. So our remainder will be 15. So we're adding 15 over 2x plus 3. And this is our final answer. So I'll repeat that answer to you. It's x squared plus 2x minus 2 plus 15 over 2x plus 3. This is the most simplified answer that we could get from this equation right here. So, and that is how we simplify it. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this experience here, and let me know if you need any help in the comments below. Feel free to contact me on any other social media too, and I can help you go a little deeper with some of these topics if necessary. Thank you.